If someone is considering buying or selling an electrical company, there are several avenues to explore. Firstly, online marketplaces such as BizBuySell are leading platforms for buying and selling businesses, and they often include electrical companies. Secondly, Business Broker. Net is another reputable marketplace with listings for electrical companies. Thirdly, Dealstream is an online platform that connects buyers and sellers of businesses, which can include electrical contracting firms. In addition to online marketplaces, business brokers specialize in facilitating the sale and purchase of businesses. They can provide professional guidance, market research, and negotiation support. For instance, trade associations like the National Electrical Contractors Association, or NECA, offer resources and referrals for electrical contractors looking to buy or sell their businesses. The International Association of Electrical Inspectors, or IAE, provides a directory of electrical inspectors who may have knowledge of potential buyers or sellers. Local chambers of commerce often have listings or connections to local businesses that may be interested in buying or selling. Trade magazines and newsletters may publish classified ads or articles about electrical companies for sale. Attending industry events and conferences can provide opportunities to connect with potential buyers or sellers. Reasons for selling an electrical company can vary. These reasons include retirement, relocation, health issues, family obligations, acquisition or merger opportunities, and profit maximization. If selling an electrical company, several steps should be taken to ensure a successful transaction. One of the first steps is to determine the value of the business. Conduct a business valuation to establish a fair asking price. Gather up-to-date financial records to demonstrate the health of the company. Develop a professional marketing package that highlights the key strengths and assets of your business. Screen potential buyers carefully to ensure they have the experience, financial resources, and industry knowledge to succeed. Work with a business broker or attorney to negotiate the terms of the sale and ensure a smooth transaction.